What's up guys, good afternoon now. So for today's video, I'm sorry if the mic's shaking, because it's shaking from here, and I hope I'm not overexposed or nothing, but today we're installing, as you can tell from that short little cinematic, trying to do a little different introduction, trying to do a little bit, but from that little mini cinematic you saw that we had spring compressors, because in today's video we're going to be doing some BMW's 535i spring installs. I have never done any work on a BMW because I heard they suck, and I don't want to work on it because it's gonna suck. So, but we'll find out how bad it'll be today. I installed a lot of coilovers and suspension parts on a lot of cars before, but never a BMW. So I'm gonna be surprised at what's gonna happen my way. So to begin this day, we're gonna give away the winner his hat. I'm about to go USPS right now and then ship it off to him, straight to his door. No fee for him, it'll be completely free for him. So there's a lot of videos regarding like how to install the springs and everything. I won't be the first, definitely not the last. A lot of people have videos on it, so I doubt a lot of people watch this video, but it's gonna be fun for me to do because it's still a first time experience for me. So I think it's gonna be fun. So just hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned and watch us fail. Watch me. That was a success. Everything's being shipped to you. Congratulations, Long Chain, again. I hope my Sharpie writing was readable for the people and it ships to your door. They said it'll be there by Saturday. Today is Wednesday, so hopefully you get it by Saturday. I don't know if this video will be coming out, but yeah, so I hope it'll be good. So I'll see you guys back at my friend's place where we install everything, and let's get this coilover done. So like usual, we're doing a voiceover. So in this clip, we're trying to jack up the car. For some reason, BMWs don't have like the jack point visible. It's covered all by an under plastic piece, but like you can see the bar going down that middle piece. Because my cousin, this is his car, he didn't know how to jack up his car, but I felt that metal piece would jack up the car, so that's why we jacked it. So this is the rear, and it looks like the strut was being held on by just one bolt, which it really was, and in top hats, but the rears were a pain in the butt as shown later on in the video.
Alright, so today we're working on my BMW 535i. Putting on some lowering springs.
So I did my best to record, but the fronts are being held on by that sway bar end link wall you just saw, and this bottom bolt I'm trying to show right here. Overall, the fronts weren't too difficult to do at all.
Alright, so to get to the rear strut top hat, you're gonna pop this little speaker piece out. You can just use a little pry tool for that. There'll be 2 points right here and here in the front. See where my finger is. And you pop this out. And then it's just these 3 little screws. They're 1/8 size hexes. Alright, so we put out the speaker with those 3 little nuts, and then there'll be a little sound editing material in here. You're just gonna flip that up, and then right inside the top, you can't even see it, but right inside you'll feel the top hat.
As you know, we are ghetto. We do ghetto installs and DIYs. We're not professional. We don't have a professional shop. So we decided we're gonna try to remove the front struts without removing the upper control arm, like most videos say. I look like I had a lot of clearance just jumping on the rotor itself just to get the strut out, and it did work. So that's just what we did. I'm not saying is that don't do it or do it. I'm not saying anything. It's just how we did it. You don't have to copy anything. They're just for entertainment purposes. We ended up failing very bad anyway. So hope you guys enjoyed. Get a BMW, they said. It'll be a fun, they said. We're waiting for more tools to come in, like the impact stopped working, so we need to go home and get some more stuff. So we're waiting for our cousin to get it. So we're just sitting here chilling by the pool. Pretty much giving up. I'm trying to make a cheetah bar right now. So sorry if we're not updating you guys too well, because it's new for me, so it's hard to like film, I guess, because it's always really tight, and I don't know what I'm doing with this. I don't want to film. I don't like if I mess up or something like that. So I want to make sure I got it right. So if you guys have any questions though, just message me. I'm more than happy to answer you guys as always. I'm here to help you guys, and just to see if we can get this thing done by tonight. It's already pretty late, so we'll see. So for the rears, we had this crazy idea to use the jack on the cheetah bar to break the torque on the rears on the back of the bolt on the strut, because that back bolt was on there pretty good and we could not beat the torque, I guess, or give enough torque to loosen it. So we used the jack. It took a very long time to do it, but it did work. I'm not sure how the guys did it on the other side. I was doing the spring compressor at that point, so I wasn't paying attention. But if you guys are stuck on one side like this one and just need that extra torque, try using the jack. It's just a little trick. I'm not sure if it'll work for you guys, or you guys if you even need it, but just a tip or trick you guys can use. Good luck to whoever's installing it themselves. So with that bolt gone right there, ooh, bad. It's so bright, but that bolt right there. I'm just trying to move the top hat right now. This package apparently doesn't have folding seats, so we're trying to make do. Apparently the top hat was a 13mm for the top hats. I think those were the 18s on the back one. So in this clip, we're trying to show you that we had to remove the lower control arm. Well, remove that one and then loosen the one in the back to get enough room to remove the strut.
Alright, so we barely recorded this stuff, but all the lowering springs are in. All the tires are in. It was a crap ton of work. Highly disrecommend it. Do not get lowering springs for your F10 535 BMW. I repeat, do not get lowering springs for your BMW. Please just spend the extra money and get the freaking coilovers. That was way too much work with 4 guys working on this one car. This man's got battle scars everywhere. Thanks for all your help. He turned the air compressor on and off for us. Thank you. That's a neck. That's a neck. Mr. Jacob went over here, did most of the work. Right now we're just trying to get the lower control arm back in. Once we're done with that, we'll be finished.
Yo, so we're back at the house, and I just want to say that was a epic fail. So I didn't record much because I was pretty stressed out about the whole install. Usually I get stressed out sometimes doing car installs, but this one really pushed the buttons on this one. Because I guess I was in a rush to try to leave because I had to see my fiance. So I was kind of rushing to leave. I kept messing up afterwards. So here's a tip for you guys who's installed a lot of car parts and get stressed out. I keep messing up. Whenever you guys mess up like one time, just stop a little bit, take a break, go ahead and eat something, drink something, take a breather so that way you won't mess up again. That's what I should have done when I was installing the springs onto my cousin's BMW, because I kept messing up and then it kept leading on to more mess ups as I continued rushing myself to hurry up and finish up to see my fiance, which was my fault. This install was probably the greatest fail, as you guys can tell by the video, title of the video. This has been the greatest fail of my life, of all my installs I've ever done. This has been the worst of my installs ever, probably because we were rushing it and everything, so it's all my fault about that. The springs are installed though, and the car sits pretty nicer now, but we did run into a lot of issues with like just us making dumb mistakes and everything. It's so embarrassing, I don't even want to talk about it, but just know that I apologize that I didn't film much anything, because this is not going to be a tutorial video. I wanted it to be, but it did not turn out how I wanted it to be at all. Like I said, there's many videos on YouTube about installing the springs, so don't worry about trying to watch me, but whoever's watching this video, I really appreciate you guys so much, because you guys have made almost by the time that's recording this video, we're almost at 200 subs, which is crazy because like 10 days ago I was like at 100, and then I was doing the 100 giveaway. Now we're almost at 200. That's like really crazy for me. So whoever's watching and support me, thank you guys so much. Like, I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I really do. Like, you guys motivate me to keep recording videos and have fun making them as well. This is like my stress relief. It's super fun making videos for you guys. I'm so glad I have an audience to share my videos with and just having fun around. Like I said, if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to do my best to answer them, because I do remember how I installed most of everything, and that was a pain in the butt. So I probably won't install springs on another BMW ever. That was just too much. That's almost as bad as me installing my airbags on my friend's car. That did not work well neither. But back to the story back to the main topic. We're almost at 200 subs, so I'm gonna need some ideas for some giveaways. I do have a few ideas. I'm not sure if you guys like it yet, but I do have a few ideas. I recently joined a new car group, so maybe I'm trying to get them to do like a giveaway, give me some merch for them, and do giveaways for you guys. So I'm still trying to plan that out. I'm waiting for them to respond back, so we'll see by then. But we will do a giveaway 200 subs. I promise you guys. At every 100 subs, I'm doing a giveaway, and I'm gonna keep my word to that. So I really appreciate you guys so much for supporting and watching me. I really do appreciate it, like I said. And sorry I didn't record much of this video, but thank you guys so much for watching. As always, be safe, and I'm gonna have a video supposedly by next week. I might be gone for a little bit, and I'm gonna split the next video. So be safe, be healthy. I'll see you guys in the next video.